Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday where I teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to show you how you can create some more standardization with your shopping list. So, a common feature request that we get for Plan to Eat is to be able to have a list where we can create kind of like a master list for, I always want, the oil in my shopping list to say olive oil, or I always want the flour in my shopping list to say all-purpose flour, so that you minimize some of the manual merging that you have to do within your shopping list. Now, while we don't have a way to create a master list of those things for your shopping list, we do have a way to help you standardize your list a little bit more by automatically updating the recipe listing for a certain ingredient. So let me show you a little bit how this works, and hopefully it will alleviate any confusion that you might have. So currently this feature is only available on the Plan to Eat website. And when I'm in here in my shopping list, so you can see that I have all-purpose flour here listed 2 different times. And the reason that they haven't automatically merged within the program, one of the reasons, is because all-purpose does not have a dash in this option, and it does have a dash in here. Now, one of the reasons that items don't automatically merge is because the titles don't match exactly. And so just this little dash is enough that the titles aren't exactly matching. So all I need to do is come in here and hit the edit button on the all-purpose flour and say I always want all-purpose flour to have the dash in it. So I'm going to put the dash in there so that this all-purpose flour merges with the other one. But also there's this little option here that says also change 10 of your recipes that include the ingredients all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour will go to the title all-purpose flour. So all I need to do is check this, and now it's going to modify those ingredients actually in the recipe so that the title is matching and has that dash in it in the all-purpose flour. And you can see that there are 10 recipes that this is going to affect. So this is potentially going to really help in the future when I have all-purpose flour added to my shopping list. I'll hit Save Changes. Now my all-purpose flour here has merged, and we can just click on one of these recipes and you can see that all-purpose flour has a dash in it in this one, and all-purpose flour has a dash in it in this one. So it just went in and it updated the recipe listing, the ingredient in the actual recipe, so that when these recipes are added to my shopping list in the future, though that all-purpose flour is going to automatically merge because the title is going to be the exact same. There is a help article linked in the description of this video if you want a step-by-step of this process and maybe need a little bit more information. You can also email us at help@planteat.com and we can explain further if you need it. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you again in a video real soon.